Pancake recipe. Good morning, friends. I hope you are feeling well. Today I want to teach you how to make pancakes in a very easy and fun way. But for this you need to have the following ingredients.
200 grams of flour for pancakes, 50 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 2 cups of milk, 2 eggs, honey for pancakes, 1 banana, 5 strawberries.
Step 2 preparation the pancakes. In a large bowl, pour the pancakes flour. Take out the 2 eggs. Place them in the bowl of flour and beat them. Third, pour the milk into the bowl with the flour and eggs and continue whisking until smooth.
How many cups of milk are added?
2 cups of milk. Add a spoon of vanilla essence. Melt some butter in the skillet.
How much melted butter is needed?
Just a little, 50 grams of butter. Pour the mixture into the pan for 30 seconds. Turn the pancake over and let it cook for another 30 seconds. Serve the pancakes on a plate. Cut some banana slice and put them on the pancakes. Slice some strawberries and put them on the pancakes. And lastly, and add honey to the pancakes.
How much honey to add?
Whatever each person wants to add. Well, friends, I hope you have found this recipe very fun to prepare pancakes in an easy and simple way from the comfort of your home. See you later!